Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to clone a website in Wix and publish it under a different URL. This is useful when we want to use the same design for another brand, campaign, or project. Let's begin. First, we open our browser. Once the browser is open, we go to Wix.com. After reaching the main page, we log in to our account. When we are in our Wix account, we go to the upper left. Next to the Wix logo, we see our websites. We click this drop-down button to view all our websites. We also see the option to go to all websites. We click this. After clicking, we can see all our websites listed here. To copy a website, we click the three dots and select Duplicate Site. We enter a new name, like Test, and then click Duplicate. We wait for it to finish loading. Now we have two sites with different URLs. It's quick and easy. This is how we clone a website with a different URL. Once published, we have a separate site that we can customize on its own.